Hello? Can you turn the car off for me? Can you turn the car off?
I like the car. It's blue.
Turn the car off for me. Turn the car. I'm not going to ask you again. Turn the car off, and we're going to talk right out here. Hello? Do you hear what I'm saying? Okay. I'm going to explain to you when you step out here. So turn your car off.
Why?
Turn your car off.
Why?
I already know this is a black officer. I already know it's a black. She already with the no nonsense. I'm not gonna ask you again. Okay, yeah, we're not gonna do this. You know what I'm saying? I can already hear in her voice. You know what I'm saying? She a no nonsensory.
I'm gonna explain when you get right over here. So turn the car. Okay.
Oh,
all right.
like that.
This is what we're gonna do. This is what we're gonna do.
We're not doing
This is
that.
what we're gonna do. You hear me?
No.
Okay. You got the glass breaking too?
Oh yeah, I see you in the window, but. Yo, what's poppin', GE gang? It's your boy Fusion. We are back with another banger reaction video. How my people doing today? It is now Prequel Friday. What that mean? That means it's almost Friday, okay? What you know what I'm saying? It's the Friday before Friday, so it's almost the weekend, man. You know, it don't matter because we staying home and being safe anyway because we're seeing the entitled drunks, the crazies, the raises, you know what I'm saying? Staying home, so the weekend is just really on some relaxed vibery, like high vibes, breathe in, breathe out type shit. You know what I'm saying? Like de-escalate from the week of bullshittery, especially the people I work with. You know what I'm saying? But it's almost the weekend, man. It's Thursday. Shout out to my people. Hope you got the work safe. I hope you're in your own little cubicle in your zone. If you're at work, I hope you got your own headphones on, so when Cheryl come and talk to you, you like la 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 la. You said something? Oh, okay. You know what I'm saying? Like, we blocking. I'm here to make money, get benefits, and go home, okay? Don't need new friendries. No new friends. Don't need them. I got YouTube. I got my family on YouTube. I'm going to try to get to them. Check this out, man. We about to tap into a video. Entitled woman takes 8 tasery shots and still won't comply. Ooh-wee. Shout out to my people that sent me this video. 8 tasers? The woman's? She must be a strong, yeah, you know what I'm saying? You gotta tap in. We gotta go ahead and check out our meet brief so I can get into this video because I ain't gonna hold you guys up because we gonna knock them down today. We putting out videos, we having fun, and I know you guys are enjoying because I see it. Go ahead, Fuji, don't stop. I got you, okay? Check in 1 through 10. Tap in the comment section how you doing mentally, emotionally, energetically, physically, psychologically, and most importantly, spiritually. Tap down in the comment section. You guys let us know how you doing. If you need some extra meat briefs, we're gonna send them your way. If you need some extra prayers, we're definitely sending them your way. Okay? And yes, I am from LA, Ty. You know what I'm saying? But but I ain't been tasered ever in my life. Let's go see what she got going down.
Hello? Can you turn the car off for me? Can you turn the car off?
I like the car. It's blue.
Turn the car off for me. Turn the car. I'm not going to ask you again. Turn the car off, and we're going to talk right out here. Hello? Do you hear what I'm saying? Okay. I'm going to explain to you when you step out here. So turn your car off.
Why?
Turn your car off.
Why?
I already know this is a black officer. I already know it's a black. She already with the no nonsense. I'm not gonna ask you again. Okay, yeah, we're not gonna do this. You know what I'm saying? I can already hear in her voice. You know what I'm saying? She a no nonsensory.
I'm gonna explain when you get right over here. So turn the car. Okay.
Oh,
all right.
Like
this
that.
is what we're gonna do. This is what we're gonna do.
We're not doing
this is
that.
what we're gonna do. You hear me?
No.
Okay. You got the glass breaking too?
Oh yeah, I see you in the window, but.
On February 23rd, 2025, deputies were dispatched to a refuse-to-leave call.
Whoa!
While deputies attempted to locate...
And she was an OBGYN. She was about 55. What is going on with the YNs and the OBGYNs and the YVNWs? I don't know. Whoa. I mean, she said goodbye.
...the female. Contact was made with the caller to gather details regarding the incident.
I run up to the stage. She's trying to throw the DJ's equipment, trying to do all this stuff. Luckily, nothing was damaged.
Okay.
But she tries to throw her equipment and keeps holding on to stuff. And she's grabbing onto another girl. Her name is Princess. She was just here. She left.
Okay.
She's grabbing on Princess. So I had to physically restrain her. And so I grabbed her from the back of her arms, and I just picked her up and took her out.
Okay.
And so when she got out, she started threatening me. She said, we dig up in my purse. That's why I thought she might have had a firearm, but she just put out her phone.
Okay.
And then she started taking pictures and stuff. But she just kept coming back inside. And We asked her, hey, I can't keep doing this. I finally got fed up with it, called y'all. She had gotten to her car, and that's what happened.
Okay.
Can you roll your window down for me? How you doing?
I'm good.
Can you turn your vehicle off for me?
What happened?
Turn your vehicle off for me.
Okay, so what's going on?
Can I have your driver's license?
Yes, what's up? Why did I get pulled over?
Because we tried to talk to you in the parking lot and you pulled off on us.
Really? Well, because they were saying some things about me and like...
No, when the officer approached you, she told you to turn the vehicles off and you kept...
No, it did not. No, it did not.
Carol, stop lying.
It was a she. I did not. No, it did not.
She said you didn't tell her to step out.
You didn't tell me. No,
It was in
So I didn't tell you to step out the car?
she.
No, you did not.
So I didn't tell you to step out the car? Ma'am, I said turn the car off and step out. I'm not, all right, we're not going to do this back and forth, okay? We're not going to do this.
I'm just saying.
Okay.
You did not say.
Okay, so I can rewind my camera and it'll say exactly what I said. Okay.
Okay, so what are we doing here right now?
So right now, you drove away when I was making contact with you, right? So I'm standing like this. Listen to me. I'm standing just like this, and you could have hit me when you drove away. You understand that? You know that's a federal crime, a felony.
I did not. First of all, I did not see you. When you talking
How you not see me and I'm talking to you?
Come on, baby girl. Seriously?
Yeah, seriously.
No, it's
Seriously.
Okay, so what are we doing right here?
So what you're going to do is you're going to turn the car off like I asked you to do before and step out and come over here.
I'm not going to do that.
Okay, you're refusing to do that.
I'm not going to do that because why?
I'm telling you to. This is a lawful order. It's a lawful order. That's why. No, you cannot. You are going to step out the car. You are going to step out the car. First of all, you had a whole altercation at the place when you were parked at.
I did not.
So this is why I want you to step out so we could talk about what happened.
I'm not going to do that.
I'm not a baby girl. I'm not your baby girl. Okay? So this is what I want you to do. I want you to step out the vehicle and we're going to talk right here. Because I'm telling you to do that. I'm telling you to. No, you cannot. You cannot. So this is what you're going to do. You're going to step out.
Listen, we sisters, right?
Correct. So I don't understand why.
Nah, don't hit me with the you my sister types. No. Cause as soon as it goes left, or you can be like, it be your own people. It be your own people. Right now, man, listen, we sisters, right? You can let me go. What? Are you dumbery? Are you stupid? You know I can lose my job. I can get in trouble if I start having preferential treatment towards, I don't know, my sisters, my brothers. And I'm talking about the real ones, not the skin tone. Like, it doesn't work like that, baby. Like, law is law. And you stuck back in, well, I guess you was in the club, hitting the DJ, hitting on Princess. I mean, she's a princess. You hitting on Princess. You think you wasn't going to get a phone call for you? Grandma, you 55. I know you a grandma. You trying to talk your way. You can't outslick a can of oil. Ooh, my mama taught me that one. You can't outslick a can of oil. You try to do it, but you can't. I know you old school, baby, but new school about to get in your tutory, okay? Fundio!
Not listening. So I'm not understanding why you're not listening to what I'm telling you to do. Go ahead.
Okay, so at the end of the day, so you said I did what? What was my violation?
You see how we're talking right here and we could be talking back there? You're supposed to be criminally trespassed from the area. But you step out the car. I'm not going to keep talking to you through the car. Step out.
Can I have my ID back, please?
No, ma'am. Please step outside the vehicle. Please, yes, step out the vehicle.
Why?
Because we asked you to step out the vehicle.
If you take off,
You take off, it's going to be worse.
it's going to be a problem.
She rolled up the window again.
Turn the vehicle off, ma'am.
She on PCP area. I'm telling you, that's the only thing that makes logical sense. Ain't nobody this dumb.
Turn the vehicle off, ma'am.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, I will. Alright, turn. Thank you.
We're done.
Excuse me. Come on. Why are you doing that, though? Why?
Turn the vehicle off, ma'am.
Okay, because why?
Turn the vehicle off because we asked you to turn the vehicle off. We're trying to get you to cooperate. Turn your vehicle
I'll
off.
do that. Let me get my phone, please. Alright. Hold my phone.
Turn your vehicle off. Get out your
Too
pocket.
much
Turn
talkery.
your vehicle
I'm
off.
ready for the 8 of them to the dome. Get her up out of here.
Come on out.
Oh, wow.
Come on out.
Yeah, oh, wow, yeah.
Get out.
Oh, no. Why you doing me like that?
Why you do?
Oh,
What?
No.
Get out the car.
Oh.
Get out of the car.
Oh,
No. Get off of me.
you hitting on off. Oh, grandma on that PCP. She got the pipe in the baggery.
Oh, shit. Oh! Why are you doing that?
Yo, cut it out.
I'm not doing that to you.
Oh, shit.
Out of here. No.
She got to be from New York City.
No.
Put your hands behind your back, ma'am.
No, I'm not. No.
You still don't want to comply?
No.
That's that New York talk. Can't nobody tell me different.
What are you doing? Roll over. Roll over. No, I'm not. Roll over.
Grandma is a fighter. OBG white. Oh! All up in the buttery, yeah, the culo, the fundio, you get. She's into the crackery too. She said that feels good.
10-4, 36-3, go ahead.
You tasing me?
Yes.
Put your hands behind your back.
Just comply, please. No, you're not. Okay, give her some more. Oh, there it is.
Sure, they got
Get that taser off, you know.
Let it go. Move your hand. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go.
You tasing me. Okay, go ahead. Keep doing it.
Keep doing it.
Okay.
Let it go.
No.
Let it
No,
go.
I'm not letting mine go.
Let it go.
No.
Just stacking on charges. I feel you.
Okay, so y'all.
So
Y'all
stop.
gonna kill me? Stop. Y'all gonna kill me? Y'all black niggas. Y'all gonna kill me? Oh,
Did she say y'all black ninjas?
35 tens of it.
y'all gonna kill me like that? Wow.
Help.
Stop it.
Why y'all do this to people? Why y'all do this? Why? Why do y'all do this?
Oh,
That's
yeah.
why. I didn't do nothing wrong. Why do y'all do this?
PCP. I'm telling you. She
Like,
on
why?
that.
I'm saying why? Why do you do this?
You better not start crying. You better not even.
I didn't do nothing wrong. Why? Why you trying to have me do?
Stop.
You
Sit
crying and
down.
then right back fighting. Big faker.
Sit down.
No, I'm not.
Sit down.
Stop. Stop it.
Stop. Stop. Cut it out. Calm yourself down. Do you understand me? Yes or no? Yo, tell me, where you at?
Where you at, Grandma? You know it's different when the officer look like she about. I give the officer about 30. When she got to talk to the grandma about 55, 56, like she's a child. You done? You done? You through? Where we at with it? We can go some more. She talking to the grandma. Grandma acting like the child, or the 30-year-old acting like the grandma. All the sense. What are we doing? Grandma's crying with the fake cry, then go back right to fighting. Ooh, you fool from the old school, baby. Like, it don't work. I told you it don't work on the new school. New school gonna hem you, tase you.
Oh, why y'all doing this?
3111, where you at?
Why y'all doing this? Like, please, seriously?
Yes, seriously,
Because
sit down.
why?
Sit
No, I
down.
don't want to. I gotta pee. Can I pee?
No.
Can I pee?
No.
Connie Thornton was taken into custody and charged with DUI, disorderly conduct, criminal trespass, and obstruction. Her vehicle was inventoried and towed, and she was transported to the Rockdale County Jail, where she was placed in a detox pod until her alcohol level decreased.
Age unknown, it didn't need to be known. We know she's an OBGYN. We saw the gray hairies. We saw a little bit of agery. Like, we know you was in your 50s, at least, Grandma, okay? And I'm talking about the late 50s, okay? Like, what are you doing? And why are you drinking that much? And why are you drinking and having PCP and fighting officers like that? That is insane. If you my mama, I'm coming home, I'm kick your ass, mama. You know, because mama, you know if that was me, you'd be all my assery. Now I got to do the same to you. Now the roles reversery, okay? I ain't gonna have my mama out here acting like this. It's embarrassing me type. Are you crazy? My friends gonna see you on YouTube, mama. Now my mama. Mama, we gotta have a conversation. And then we got to go to AA, AAA, and then PCP at A. Okay, like, it's too much. It's too much. The grandmas and the OBGYNs and the YNWs. I just cannot with you guys. You guys are on some real. I've never seen so many women get down like this with the police officers. I haven't. This is insane. The last video there, she's like, which the officer's giving her multiple chances to get out the car because her license was suspended. She was being all nice and calmery, and then she just want to flip the switchery. Get out. No, I don't want to get out. I don't want to get out and wait. What, y'all gonna kill me because I'm black? Where'd that even come from? They don't even go with the situation we got going on. Ma'am, I ain't just pick you. Your license was suspended. I ain't just picking on you. I don't care if you're black, white, yellow, Puerto Rican, or Asian, or fucking alien. Your license is suspended. If you didn't want to be down on earth with us, stay in the air with your sorcery. Okay, how many times we gotta talk about it? You gonna kill me because I'm black? I can't make this shit up. I can't. The entitlement is real. The craziness is even realer. The drunkenness is real. The PCP is even realer. I'm about to go watch Michael Jackson's Thriller. That's where I'm at with it because there's too much great shit going on in the world, man. Tap down the comment section. Let's talk about it. Somebody give me some info on what's going on with the womenry. Okay? We got to talk. We got to get this shit straight. I can't have my women out here looking crazy, especially the mamas. Okay? Y'all got sons and daughters. Got grandkids. Not my nana.